In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Google Classroom. Sometimes we need a little refresher on managing our digital spaces, and signing out of platforms is a key part of maintaining our online security and privacy. Whether you're wrapping up for the day or switching users, knowing how to quickly and efficiently sign out of Google Classroom can ensure your account remains safe and secure. So let's walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to open Google Classroom on your device. Make sure you're logged in. If you're not automatically signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials. It's important to confirm that you're in the right account, especially if you're using a shared or public device. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Google Classroom, which might show you a list of your current classes or assignments. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you should see your profile picture, or if you haven't set a profile picture, an initial representing your account name. This icon is your portal to account settings and sign out options. Click on it. This action brings up a drop-down menu showcasing account details and options aligned with your current Google activity. At this point, the sign out process is just a click away. In the drop-down menu, you will see an option that reads Sign Out. Go ahead and click on Sign Out to exit from your Google Classroom account. If you've been using multiple Google accounts on the same device, you might instead see an option that says Sign Out of all accounts. Selecting this will sign you out of all Google services linked to those accounts on the current browser. It's a useful feature if you're finishing up on a shared device and want to ensure no other accounts remain logged in. And with that, you've successfully signed out of Google Classroom. It's always wise to double check that you're logged out, especially if you're using a shared computer. Simply refresh the page or attempt to navigate back to Google Classroom to ensure that you're prompted to log in again, which confirms you've signed out properly. I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process clear and straightforward. Whether you're securing your privacy, switching accounts, or just done with your tasks, signing out of Google Classroom is a quick and essential routine to adopt in managing your online presence. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to check out other helpful guides on maximizing your digital workspace efficiently and securely.